Hello there, everyone. I'm Attorney Kelly Longtin, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about your guide to veteran planning essentials. Now, joining the military often sets individuals on a path that is distinctly different from pursuing higher education or entering the civilian workforce. Every year around Veterans Day, we honor the sacrifices of those who have served our country. However, we do not always pause to consider the unique experiences and challenges veterans face when their military service ends, especially the transition from a highly structured and supported military environment to civilian life, where personal and financial planning often rests entirely on their own shoulders. As a veteran, you have dedicated your life to serving others. Service and sacrifice comes naturally to you. Creating an estate plan may not immediately come to mind as another way to serve and protect those you love. For veterans, however, a standard estate plan is often insufficient. Military service brings unique benefits, responsibilities, and considerations that require thoughtful coordination to ensure that you and your loved ones are fully protected. Now, as a veteran, you're no stranger to paperwork. From the extensive documentation required for recruitment and enlistment to the detailed records of assignments, pay, training, medical history, and awards maintained throughout your career, you have likely been responsible for keeping records that are vital for verifying your service history and accessing service-related benefits. Now, estate planning documents serve a different purpose, but similarly important purpose. They're designed to protect your loved ones and ensure that your personal wishes are carried out if you become incapacitated or unable to manage your affairs or after you pass away. Now, Dwight D. Eisenhower's assertion that plans are useless, but planning is indispensable stresses the value of developing multiple contingency plans for probate scenarios and unexpected situations. The same principle applies to your estate plan. While your specific documents may evolve over time, the process of thoughtfully creating a plan helps ensure that you and your loved ones are prepared for whatever life may bring. Your estate plan allows you to specify who should inherit your service-related benefits and other assets, name guardians for your children, and appoint trusted individuals to manage your affairs if you become incapacitated, and wind down your estate after your passing. The main documents of a comprehensive estate plan include a last will and testament. A will provides clear instructions for the distribution of your accounts and property that do not have a joint owner or beneficiary designation. It is also the document in which you can legally nominate a guardian for your minor children if you pass away and the children's other legal parent is unable to care for them. Another component is your trust, whether included as part of your will as a testamentary trust or a standalone document as a revocable living trust. Trust can help you manage how and when your assets are distributed rather than leaving your loved ones an outright inheritance. One key difference between testamentary trust and revocable living trust is that testamentary trust must be administered through the often costly, long, and public probate process, whereas a revocable living trust is administered privately. Now, your powers of attorney. Financial and medical powers of attorney are both essential components of a complete estate plan. A financial power of attorney lets you designate someone you trust to serve as your agent, also called an attorney in fact, to handle your legal and financial affairs if you're incapacitated or otherwise unable to manage them for yourself. Now, a healthcare power of attorney, also called a healthcare proxy, authorizes a trusted person to make medical decisions on your behalf and communicate with your healthcare providers if you're unable to, ensuring that your treatment preferences are followed and your values are upheld. Now, a living will or advance directive. This estate planning tool allows you to outline your wishes regarding medical treatment and end-of-life care. It complements your healthcare power of attorney by providing clear guidance about your medical wishes and sparing your loved ones the stress of having to guess what you would have wanted. Without it, disagreement amongst family members about your care could, in rare cases, lead to court involvement, and a judge might need to decide whether certain medical procedures or life-sustaining measures should be provided or withheld. Now, you have beneficiary designations. Retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and military benefits such as service members group life insurance, the thrift savings plan, and the survivor benefit plan are distributed directly to the individuals named on the beneficiary designation forms on file when you pass away, regardless of what your will or trust says. Now, together, these tools form the foundation of your estate plan, a mission plan for protecting your loved ones, benefits, and legacy. Just as every mission has its own objectives, so does your estate plan. The way you use these tools will depend on your unique circumstances and goals. As a veteran, you need to carefully coordinate your plan with your military benefits so that they work seamlessly together to support your family as you intend in both foreseen and unforeseen situations. Now, your service taught you the importance of seeing a mission through, no matter the challenge. The same sense of duty guides the most important mission of all, safeguarding your family's future. Even the best mission plans may change, break down, or require adjustment on the fly, but that does not make planning any less important. Having any plan is better than having no plan, but a plan that is not mission ready can be almost as problematic, leaving you and your loved ones exposed on life's battlefield. That is why you should coordinate with an attorney who can ensure that your estate planning tools are crafted to preserve your hard-earned military benefits while still meeting your family planning needs. Now, you served our country. Now it's our turn as attorneys to help serve you. So contact an attorney that practices in the state in which you reside so they can assist you with your own estate planning needs. I want to thank you for watching. I'm Attorney Kelly Longtin. Please like and subscribe our page below, and I'll see you on the next video as you learn more and more about estate planning.